So hi guys, welcome to cooking with Marife. So today I made the ginger, lemongrass, and then I also calamansi juice because I cough a lot last night, so I did not sleep good. So I decided to make this one, and I drink 2 glasses and it's very effective. My throat not itchy, and thank you Lord for the mga herbal plants that you provide us every day to get us well. So I feel much better now. Thank you Lord Jesus. And ay salamat in town sa luya ug sa lemongrass. And then I will be right back. Naunsa man niya. So I'm back. So right here, this is my third cup. Third mug. It's that mug. And it's very effective for me because my sore, itchy and sore throat, it's gone. So thank you Lord, and I will drink some more. Lami naman madugay. And I put a little bit brown sugar, so taste different, but it's good for the body. So thank you Lord, I feel better now. I'm not dizzy, and stomach is, when I walk, the stomach is upset, or I can't explain. And right now I'm sweating, and I will cook dinner, early dinner for Dandansoy Tabunsuka Dan, because he said he's hungry. So guys, thank you so much for thank you so much for always watching our videos. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Take care and enjoy life every day because it's a blessing, and stay healthy. God bless us always. Have a great day. And hi Kuya in California, to all our friends. Hi John in Minnesota. And Emma Bryan, hi there in Idaho. See you next year, Emma. Hi, I'm excited. Take care.